Good morning, students. In last video, we will discuss this topic, income and other goals. Today, we will discuss next topic, income goals and concept of development. Learning, equality, income, friends, security, family. These all concepts related to our development concept. National development. It is a very important to keep in mind that different person could have different as well as conflicting notion of a country's development. How to compare different countries and states? This is the classification. First, World Bank. Second, UNDP. Full form of UNDP, United Nations Development Program. UNDP program established a report, HDR, Human Development Report. World Bank according to per capita income, UNDP per capita income, health and education. कंपेयर कर रहे हैं हम कंट्रीज को, कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. वर्ल्ड बैंक जो कंपेयर करता है कंट्रीज को वो जस्ट पर कैपिटा इनकम के अकॉर्डिंग. यूएनडीपी पर कैपिटा इनकम को भी रखता है, हेल्थ भी रखता है, एजुकेशन भी रखता है, मींस अदर मेजर भी चेक करता है. एवरेज इनकम per capita income is same. Average income is the total income of country divided by its total population. It is also called per capita income. This is the formula. Average income, total income of country upon total population of country. Example, in World Development Report, per capita income is issued in classifying the countries with per capita income of US dollar 12,056 per annum and above in 2017 are called rich countries. Means differences between rich countries and other low income countries. Countries with per capita income of US dollar 955 or lesser called low income countries. IMR, infant mortality rate, the number of children that die before the age of 1 year as a proportion of 1,000 live children born in that particular year. Literacy rate, the proportion of literate population in the 7 and above age group. Net attendance ratio, the total number of children of age group 14-15 attending school as a percentage of total number of children in the same age group, called net attendance ratio. This is a table like Haryana, Kerala, Bihar, infant mortality rate, literacy rate and net attendance rate. Next topic is public facilities. Public facilities develop like transport facilities, health, education, rationing, government institute. Public facilities, these are services provided by government to its citizens. Some of the important public facilities include infrastructure, sanitation, public transportation, healthcare and water, etc. Public facility, money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you may need to live. ये आपकी बुक में एक एग्जांपल है कि अगर आपके पास आपके पॉकेट में मनी है, मनी का मतलब कि आपकी जो वेल्थ है, कि आपकी जो प्रॉपर्टी है या आपके बैंक बैलेंस है, उससे आप सारा कुछ खरीद नहीं सकते. क्यों नहीं खरीद सकते? कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं कि जो आप खरीद नहीं पाओगे. हैप्पीनेस आप खरीद नहीं पाओगे. कोई भी काम करने से जो आपको खुशी मिलती है वो आप कहीं से परचेज नहीं कर पाओगे. एजुकेशन है, एजुकेशन को आप खरीद नहीं सकते जी, परचेज नहीं कर पाओगे। रीजन, क्योंकि एजुकेशन गेन की जाती है, नॉलेज गेन की जाती है। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑफ डेवलपमेंट। सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट इज डिफाइंड एज डेवलपमेंट दैट मीट द नीड ऑफ प्रेजेंट विदाउट compromising the ability of future generation. Scientists have been warning that the present time and levels of development are not sustainable. कि हमने अपनी डेवलपमेंट भी करनी है, लेकिन जो हमारा फ्यूचर है उसको भी हमने साथ साथ में सिक्योर करना है, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट भी करनी है। ओके, थैंक यू।